Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows. You guys have been requesting this video for a long time, a very long time, and I finally decided to do it for you guys. Now, I've said in my videos all the time that my brows are cousins, not twin sisters. They've always been thin since I was a kid. And I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony, and I'll be using their number 12 brow brush to fill in my brows. Now, brows are unique to your face structure, so obviously this is just my step, my routine of how I do my brow. I start under my brow just to shape it up, give it some formation, because you see how scattered my brows are, sis. It's embarrassing. And so then I'm gonna go at the very top to create the shape of the actual brow before I shade it all in. And I'm not creating too much of an arch because, as I said, brows are unique to your face. I'm not trying to go super outside of my natural brow lining or how it's actually shaped. I'm just trying to create some fullness to it. So if I realize that my brow bones aren't for that super high arch, I don't do it. So for the years I've been doing my brow, I feel like this is the shape that suits my face best. In this video, I went a little bit on the thicker side with my brows, and I'm using the Benefits Brow Contour Pro. Now, if you're new to doing brows or you want to do the full thing, like, this brow pencil is so cool because it has a highlight, it has the darkening, the lighter shade, all of that. I bought it because it was a new product and I was testing it out. I haven't really used it to its full extent. I'm only using it now because I wanted a lighter shade to give an ombre effect to my brows instead of using the dip brow all the way through. It's a little bit too dark for the very tippity front part of my brows, so I'm just using this light shade of brown to give the ombre effect. Now, you don't have to use all these products. You can just use whatever you have, any pencil that you have, all of that. This is just my routine with the products that I have, and I find that my dip brow, the Anastasia dip brow, lasts longer than a lot of eyebrow pencils that I've had. Now, I've bought eyebrow pencils for, like, say between the good ones in like the drugstore for like $8, and they will be done, or I'll be done with it in like 2 weeks and so forth. But with this dip brow, I've been using it for, I would say, since March, and I still have it. So even though it's $20-something, it lasts a very long time. So you want to keep that in mind with how much money you spend on like brow stuff and how long it's gonna last. And I think this is a really good buy. So this is how my eyebrows are looking. Look how different they are. They're like not even related right now at all. So I'll be using the Toofaced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and this is what I'm going to use under my brows. Now, I'm not going too bright with it. Like, this is just my basic concealer that I even use to contour, highlight my face, all of that. So I'm using it under the brows. I won't be using it on the top because I don't want that halo effect, sis. We're not trying to do all of that. No. So I won't be using this on the top brows. So look how smoothly that goes on. I love the thickness of it, especially if you have thin brows and you're trying to grow out your brows, so you haven't like shaved your brows in a minute. Like, this is so thick, it hides all the extra hair, all the fuzz that you may have under your brows. And on the top of my brows, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is Toast. This is close to my natural complexion, so it won't give me the halo effect when I actually put on my foundation later on, which I absolutely love. Like, I've been loving this combo that I've been doing for my brows, and I'm just gonna take the same brush that I use just to clean up between my brows, fade them out a little bit, and voila, this is how my final look is looking. As I said, I got a little bit thick with my brows this time around. Guys, it depends on the day and how well you're doing, how your brows come out, and they're not looking too bad. I actually like them. They're super cute. A little bit on the thick side, but sis eyebrows are still popping. As I said, they are not twin sisters, okay? They have never been twin sisters. Never. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.